Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your UI form layout into Shopify Metafields display detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section located in the lower left corner. Select Metafields from the available options. Decide whether you want to create Metafields for products, collections, customers, or another entity. Click on the relevant Metafield type. Choose Add Definition to create a new metafield. Fill in the necessary details such as name and namespace. Select the appropriate content type for your metafield, such as text, number, or JSON. Click Save to create your metafield definition. Next, go to the section where you want to input data for the metafields. For products, navigate to Products and select the product you want to edit. Locate the section titled Metafields at the bottom of the product page. Input the corresponding data into the metafield fields you created earlier. Make sure to save your changes. Now, it's time to modify your theme to display these metafields. Open the online store section and select Themes. Choose the theme you wish to edit and click on Actions, then select Edit Code. Locate the file where you want to display the metafield, usually in the product template. Add the necessary liquid code to fetch and display the metafield data. Ensure you write it in the correct format to avoid errors. Preview the changes to see how the metafields appear on your storefront. If everything looks good, publish the changes. Test the display across different products to ensure consistency. Finally, make any adjustments needed for styling and layout to match your UI design. Your metafield should now seamlessly integrate with your Shopify store's layout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.